Bored of the same old ChatGPT? Google has quietly dropped 45 insane AI experiments that are actually fun and useful. Here are 7 best ones that might just change how you use AI forever. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. Starting with 7cc, your personal AI morning brief. This tool reads your Gmail and Google Calendar and sends you a smart daily briefing every morning with actionable suggestions. No more drowning in emails because this one will have you covered. Then there's Little Language Lessons, perfect for travelers. Take a photo and it teaches you vocabulary for everything in the picture. It also has slang lessons and conversation practice. It currently supports 6 languages, including Spanish, French, and Chinese. Google app for Windows lets you search Google, Files, and your screen directly from Windows with Alt plus space. Super fast and a massive time saver. Next up, Fusion Recipes Food Mood. Want to try something new? Mix 2 countries' cuisines like Cuba and France, for instance, and get Cuban-French pumpkin veloux with full recipe and steps. Then it's the AI video generator Flow, Google's powerful video generator. Describe a scene with camera movements, dialogue, and sound effects, and it'll deliver cinematic videos with sound. It even uses Nano Banana Pro for better quality. With Learn About, you just have to drop a URL or PDF, and it creates a beautiful summary with sections, questions, and even an audio tour. And last, it's Notebook LM. Upload PDFs, articles, or images, and it summarizes everything, answers questions, and even creates an AI podcast about your topic. These are just 7 out of more than 45 crazy experiments Google's cooking up. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, hit the bell for more awesome AI and tech news.